Hello, good morning, Namaskar. Today we will discuss about a new repertory which is based upon only sensation, that is soric symptoms. Sensation as if by Dr. Herbert A. Robert or Dr. H. A. Robert or Dr. Robert H. A. MD. Full name of this repertory or book is Sensation as If, a repertory of subjective symptoms. Author of this book, Dr. Herbert A. Robert, MD. Types of repertory: general clinical repertory. General clinical repertory. Published in 1937. So, full name of this book, Sensation as If, author Dr. Herbert A. Robert, MD. Types of repertory: general clinical repertory, published in 1937. Construction. Preface. The possibility for usefulness of any repertory are so varied, and the need for every form of index to our remedies for their use in individual cases is so imperative that it has stimulated us to the task of enlarging that valuable little work on sensation as if, which was compiled some years ago by Dr. A. W. Holcomb and published under auspices of the medical advances in 1894. Regarding construction, this book has preface, a repertory part, and in last the abbreviation and list of medicine, like colchicum autumnale, Cistus canadensis, means list of remedies with abbreviation is the last part of this repertory. So, in construction, basically this repertory divided into preface, that including forward by Dr. H. A. Rosetts, contains repertory part chapter wise. There are 25 chapters in this book, and at last list of remedies and abbreviation. So we see a repertory part. There are 25 chapters in this repertory. Unique of today's work is each chapter contains a rubric, and in one column total number of rubric is also mentioned here. You see, first is the mind and sensorium, first rubric absent, Last rubric wrong something where, and total number of rubric is 597. Next is head. First rubric abscess in head, and last rubric wrong in head something where, rubric number is 735. Next is eye and vision. Abscess would form in right eye, yellow mist enveloped objects, rubric 551. Ear and hearing. Abscess would form in right eye, worms crawling in ear, rubric is 289. Nose. Air cold in nostril, worm a small squirring in nostril, 161 rubric. Face on jaw, acrid corroding touch upper lip, would upper lip were made of 230 teeth. So in this way all chapter has name of chapter, first rubric, last rubric and total number of rubric. So number 7 is mouth, tongue, taste, teeth, gum. Number 8 throat. Number 9 stomach. Number 10 abdomen. 11 hypochondrium. 12 rectum, anus and stool. 13 urinary organ. 14 male sexual organ. Number 15 female sexual organ. 16 internal chest. 17 external chest. 18 respiratory organs. 19 heart and circulation. 20 neck and back. 21 upper extremities. 22 lower extremities. 23 sleep and dream. 24 skin. 25 generalities. So in this way we see total 25 chapter. We again repeat. Number 1 is mind and sensorium, head, eyes and vision, ears and hearing, nose, face and jaw, mouth, tongue, taste, teeth, gum, throat, stomach, abdomen, hypochondrium, rectum, anus and stool, urinary organ, male sexual organ, female sexual organs, internal chest, external chest, respiratory organs, heart and circulation, neck and back, upper extremities, lower extremities, sleep and dream, skin, generalities. Total number of rubric in this repertory sensation as if is 6,835. Total number of rubric is 6,835. Biggest chapter is head that contains 735 rubric, and smallest chapter sleep and dream which contains only 17 rubric. So biggest chapter is head and smallest chapter is sleep and dream. The symptoms are given alphabetically. Total number of medicine in this repertory is 741. Total number of medicine 741. Merit. This repertory is useful in those cases where lack of external manifestation and pathological findings. Utility of this repertory is based on ability of patient to explain his or her complaint of feeling in proper way. Demerit. This repertory is not useful in cases of neonatal, pediatrics, insane, deaf, mute, blind, and hypo and hypersensible patient. This repertory is not useful in cases of layman and unqualified or illiterate person. So in this way, today I see full name of repertory, authors, construction, chapter, total number of rubric, biggest chapter, smallest chapter, arrangement of rubric, merit, demerit. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.